In this video, we delve into the details of Australian tax deductions specifically tailored for apprentices in 2024. Understanding the ins and outs of tax deductions can help apprentices maximise their savings and financial benefits. Stay tuned to learn everything you need to know about tax deductions as an apprentice in Australia. Stay informed, save money, and make the most of your apprenticeship. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Alright, let's dive into the world of Australian tax deductions for apprentices in 2024. Did you know that as an apprentice in Australia, you may be eligible for some valuable tax deductions? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore the world of Australian tax deductions specifically tailored for apprentices. These deductions can bring you some fantastic benefits, so stay tuned. Being an apprentice comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to managing your finances and dealing with taxes. It can be overwhelming. Right. Are you feeling overwhelmed by tax season or unsure how to maximize your deductions? No worries, we're here to help make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Today we will talk about the deductions an apprentice can and can't claim. As an apprentice, it's important to know what expenses you can claim at tax time. You can only claim deductions for work-related expenses if you paid for them yourself and were not reimbursed. The expense must directly relate to your job, and you must have proof of payment. Remember, you can only claim the portion of expenses that is directly related to earning your income. You can't claim any expenses that are not connected to your job. Be sure to keep good records to support your claims. Sorry, but you can't deduct the cost of your regular commute to work, even if you have a long drive or walk irregular hours. However, you can deduct the cost of using your own car when traveling directly between different jobs in one day, like going from your first job as a plumbing apprentice to your second job as a security guard. You can also deduct the cost of driving to and from different work locations for the same employer in one day, such as going between different depots or job sites. Just remember, these deductions only apply if you are using your own car for work-related travel. In some circumstances, you can deduct travel expenses even from your home to work. In general, you can't claim the cost of buying, repairing, or cleaning everyday clothes that you wear to work. This includes things like work uniforms or specific clothing your employer asks you to wear. These are known as conventional clothing. Examples include work shirts for tradespeople or black pants for hairdressers. However, there are a few exceptions where you can claim the cost of work clothing as a deduction. For example, if you need to buy specific safety gear or specialized clothing for your job, you may be able to deduct those expenses. Just make sure to check with a tax professional to see if your work clothes qualify for a deduction. If you're an apprentice and you're paying for courses or self-education that directly relate to your job, you can claim those expenses on your taxes. This includes any training that helps you improve your skills for your current role or could potentially lead to a pay raise, like your apprenticeship course. However, if the study is more general or geared towards finding a new job, you won't be able to deduct those expenses. Just make sure to keep all your receipts and documentation in case you need to prove your eligibility for the deduction. If you need to buy tools or equipment for your job, you may be able to deduct the cost from your taxes. This includes not only the initial purchase price, but also any repairs or insurance costs. If a single tool or piece of equipment costs more than $300, you can spread out the deduction over several years as it decreases in value. However, if the tool is $300 or less, and not part of a set that costs more than $300, you can deduct the entire cost in the same year you purchased it. It's important to note that you can't claim a deduction for tools and equipment that are provided by your employer or someone else. Also, if you use the tools for both work and personal use, you may only be able to deduct the portion used for work purposes. If you have to spend money on work-related expenses like sunscreen, sun hats, or sunglasses because you have to work outside for long periods, you can claim that money back when you file your taxes. You can also deduct costs like union or professional association fees, as well as phone and internet bills if you can prove that you use them for work. Just remember, if your employer already paid for these expenses or reimbursed you, you can't claim them as deductions. So keep those receipts handy. To sum it up, taking advantage of tax deductions as an apprentice is crucial. It can help you save money and make your financial journey smoother. So, don't overlook this opportunity. For detailed information, please contact us or your tax professional. Information provided in this video is for general purposes only. If you want to know about another occupation's deductions, please leave a comment. Now, I encourage you to explore more tax tips for other occupations by watching related videos. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Let's support each other on this financial journey. There you have it, Australian tax deductions for apprentices in 2024, demystified. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just need assistance with personal taxes, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let DD Tax Services take the guesswork out of tax preparation. Let's get started on getting you the biggest refund possible. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.